When power turns into a weapon, the battle over civil society. Imagine a world where the very act of advocating for democracy is labeled as a crime. That's the reality the Open Society Foundation's, OSF, the sprawling philanthropy network backed by billionaire George Soros, claims it's facing under the Trump administration. Recent reports, https://2025-0925 U.S. Politics Justice Trump George Soros Foundation. HTML suggests the Department of Justice, DOJ, has been quietly drafting plans to investigate the group on a litany of serious charges, from racketeering to terrorism support. But here's where it gets controversial. These allegations aren't based on new evidence, but on a memo circulating among federal prosecutors in key cities like New York, Chicago, and Washington, D.C. The memo, reportedly penned by a deputy attorney general's aide, lists potential legal strategies that critics argue are more about silencing dissent than pursuing justice. Trump's crusade against Soros has long been a fixture of his political playbook. Since the tragic killing of conservative commentator Charlie Kirk, the president has ramped up rhetoric against left-leaning groups, framing them as destabilizing forces. This is more than like protests. This is real agitation, Trump declared in September, invoking RICO, racketeer-influenced and corrupt organizations, laws as a possible tool to target Soros and allies. But wait, what exactly does that mean? RICO cases typically require proof of organized criminal activity, not peaceful activism. And this is the part most people miss. The OSF has consistently denied any ties to illegal acts, emphasizing that its mission revolves around human rights, education, and democratic reforms. IRA grantees are expected to abide by human rights principles and comply with the law, the group stated, adding, "When power is abused to take away the rights of some, it puts the rights of all at risk." The stakes here go beyond one charity. If the DOJ successfully weaponizes its authority to target organizations based on political disagreements, it could set a dangerous precedent for free speech in America. Critics argue this isn't just about Soros. It's about whether the justice system should serve as a tool for political retaliation. Meanwhile, Trump's recent move to replace a top Virginia prosecutor after a failed case against James Comey raises questions about the integrity of these investigations. Is this about accountability or about silencing critics? As the OSF puts it, our work is solely dedicated to strengthening democracy. But who decides what that means when power is concentrated in one person's hands? So, what do you think? Should the justice system be a weapon for political vendettas? Or is it time to draw a hard line between governance and manipulation? Share your thoughts below, because this debate isn't just about Soros. It's about the soul of American democracy.